Welcome, my dear students of class 5A and 5B, to my GK class. Today's topic, the same topic I am going to teach you once again. Unit 6, first in films. Points: first color film, first indigenous film, first national film festival, first Indian Oscar winner, first dubbed Hollywood film. Now, first color film. Which one is the first color film? Which one is the first color film of India? The first color film in the world, not India. Which one is the first colored film in the world? The first colored film in the world is Can Can Dance. Can Can Dance. There should be three options. Out of three, you have to choose only one options. Like Roman Holiday, Casablanca, Can Can Dance. These three options will be there. You have to choose the right option. Like Can Can Dance is the correct answer. So you have to choose this answer. Next one, the first indigenous Indian feature film. Which one is the first indigenous feature film of India? That is Raja Harishchandra. Is the first indigenous Indian film. Now, how many options will be there? Three options will be there: Raja Harishchandra, Mughal-e-Azam, and Taj Mahal. Now, you have to choose the correct option, Raja Harishchandra. Raja Harishchandra is the first indigenous Indian feature film. And next one, the first National Film Festival. The first National Film Festival. Where was it held? The first National Film Festival. The first National Film Festival was held at Delhi. Three options will be there: Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai. Now you have to choose the correct option. The correct option is Delhi. So you have to choose the option Delhi. The first National Film Festival was held at Delhi. The next one, the first Indian Oscar winner. The first Indian Oscar winner. The first, Oscar winner, the first Indian to win the Oscar. Now, the first Indian to win the Oscar for what? For making the dress, for designing the dress. That very Indian, first Indian, received the word Oscar. What is the name of him? There will be three options: Bhanu Athaiya, Nita Lulla, and Rohit Bal. Now, correct option is Bhanu Athaiya. So we have to choose the option Bhanu Athaiya. This is the correct answer. Bhanu Athaiya was the first Indian to win the Oscar for dress designing. And next question, next point, first dubbed Hollywood. The first dubbed Hollywood, the first Hollywood film dubbed in Hindi. What was it? The first Hollywood film dubbed in Hindi. The name of this film is Jurassic Park. The first Hollywood film dubbed in Hindi was Jurassic Park. There will be three options: Speed, Godzilla, and Jurassic Park. You have to choose the correct option, Jurassic Park. The Jurassic Park is the correct option. You have to choose this one. And next one, now it is not mentioned, I am now going to discuss it. The first talkie film made by Ardeshir Irani. What is the first talkie film made by Ardeshir Irani? The name of this talkie film is Alam Ara. There will be three options: Alam Ara, Pakiza, Taj Mahal. The correct option is Alam Ara. The first talkie film made by Ardeshir Irani. And next one, the first female child star. The first female child star to act in an Indian film. Was Mandakini, Nutan, and Meena Kumari. Mandakini, Nutan, and Meena Kumari. The correct option is Mandakini. Mandakini was the first female child star to act in an Indian film. And next one, the first the first Hollywood film the first Hollywood film to win 11 Oscar awards was? What is the first Hollywood film won 11 Oscar awards? The name of this film is Ben-Hur. Options are Gone with the Wind, Ben-Hur, My Fair Lady. The correct option is Ben-Hur. And next one, the first child star to win an Oscar in a competition against adults was dash. What is this? Tatum O'Neil. The first child star to win an Oscar in a competition against adults was Tatum O'Neil. She got the Best Supporting Actress award for her portrayal of Adi in Paper Moon. She got the Best Supporting Actress award for her portrayal of Adi in Paper Moon. The name of this award winner is Tatum O'Neil. Tatum O'Neil is the correct answer. And next one, the Sohrab Modi. The Sohrab Modi film, which won the first national award or the President's Gold Medal. Now, what is the film? Received the award, the Sohrab Modi Film Award, or the first, the Sohrab Modi film, which won the first national award or the President's Gold Medal. What is the, name of the film? There are some films name are there, Jhansi Ki Rani, Mirza Ghalib, and Guide. Out of these three options, you have to choose only one option, the correct option. What is the correct option? The correct option is Mirza Ghalib. Jhansi Ki Rani, wrong. Guide, wrong. Mirza Ki Ghalib, this is right option. This is so, it is the correct answer. Mirza Ghalib. You have to choose Mirza Ghalib. So Mirza Ghalib, was the film. The Sohrab Modi, under Sohrab Modi film, won the first national award or the President's Gold Medal. Up to this, my dear students, already I have narrated that lesson with illustrious examples in my previous class. Today simply I help you to learn as quick as possible, and those who are unable to learn it prominently, my request for them, please take it down the answers in your classwork copies and then close it. First learn it properly, then close it, or by learning all the answers, you write down in your copies the questions as per serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 6, 5, like that way. How many numbers of questions you will be able to write and you will be able to answer, that is depending on you. So as per your capabilities, you write down the questions as per the serial number in your classwork copies, and then from your text you learn the answers. And then close your text and then allow another one to ask you the questions. So as per the serial number of the question you have learned, they will ask you. You answer it to them. And if they allow, if they give you, if the person gives you good certificate that you have learned properly, then you write it down the same answers in your classwork copies where questions were set up. As per the questions, you take it down the answers in right places and then close your classwork copy. The process of learning will be over and you will be able to keep all the answers in your mind. As soon as you will be asked questions, you will be able to answer as quick as possible. So follow this technique and method, you will be able to score good marks, you will be able to secure grade A. Up to this, my dear students, thank you.